Okay, class, I will continue my explanations about subject and verbs. Yeah. Okay, after we have a virtual class, yeah, in discussing activity 1, activity 2, and then activity 3, it is time for us to continue again the discussions, yeah, discussing about more about subject and verbs, yeah, distinguishing subject from prepositional phrase, yeah. Oke, membedakan in bahasa Indonesia itu tidak membedakan subjek dari frase preposisi ya. The subject of a sentence never appears within a prepositional phrase ya. Should keep in mind that subject never appear within ya. Within means in the middle of prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase here is simply a group of words beginning with a prepositions and ending with the answer to the questions what, when, and or where ya. Or in bahasa Indonesia, frase preposisi itu adalah kumpulan kata yang sederhana yang dimulai dengan preposisi dan berakhiran dengan jawaban yang menjawab pertanyaan apa, kapan, dan di mana. There are so many lists of the prepositions. Maybe you could look at from the table here. Okay, the first preposition is about, and then above, across, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, off, on, onto, over, through, to, toward, under, and with. All of these word in the table here is a prepositions. Keep in mind that subject never appear within prepositional phrase. Okay, look at the example here. When you are looking for the subject of a sentence, it is helpful to cross out prepositional phrase. So when you try to looking at the subject in the sentence, better for you to cross out the prepositional phrase. Look at the example. In the middle of the night, we heard footstep on the roof. In the middle of the night is prepositional phrase. In is prepositions. Prepositions mean kata depan. In is preposition. The middle of the night is a phrase. In the middle of the night we call as prepositional phrase. And subject never appear in the middle of prepositional phrase. So you cross out this one. Why? Because of this is prepositional phrase. The subject is we, and the verb is heard. Footstep become object. On the roof is prepositional phrase. On, look at on. On. There is an on in common preposition on the table. So this is prepositional phrase. Cross out. Look at the second example. The magazines on the table belong in the garage. The magazine is a subject. On the table, as I say, on, it is a preposition. On the table is prepositional phrase. So when you write on the magazine table, it is wrong. Why? Because keep in mind that subject never appear within or in the middle of prepositional phrase. Belong is a verb. In the garage, same prepositional phrase. Third example. Before the opening kick-off, a brass band marched onto the field. Before the opening kick-off is prepositional phrase. A brass band become subject and march become verb. Onto the field become prepositional phrase. The hardware store across the street went out of business. Hardware store becomes subject. Across the street, look at across, so we find across here prepositional phrase. When verb out, out, is there an out here? Out of business, become a prepositional phrase, di luar bisnis. In spite of our advice, prepositional phrase. Sally become subject. Quiet, become quit, become verbs, and then her job become object. At Burger King become prepositional phrase. Now activity 4, please do subject and prepositional phrases. In activity 4, cross out prepositional phrase and then draw single line for under the subject and then double line under the verb. Do it by yourself, number 1 until number 10, and we discuss it in a virtual class. Thank you.